Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to sign up and get started with the TapTap Send app. If you're sending money abroad, especially to family and friends, this guide will help you set everything up in just a few minutes. Let's jump into it first. Open the TapTap Send app on your phone. On the home screen, tap Sign Up. You also have the option to sign in using your Apple ID or Google account. Just tap on the Apple or Google icons if that's easier for you. Now you'll need to enter your first name and last name, exactly as it appears on your Emirates ID. This is important for identity verification. Next, enter a valid email address that you have access to, and create a secure password that's at least 8 characters long. Make it something unique that you'll remember. Once that's done, the app will ask for your phone number. Enter it, and you'll receive a confirmation code by SMS. Type that code into the app to verify your number. Now, you'll provide a few more personal details. Enter your date of birth and select your country of residence, such as the UAE. Then, choose your nationality from the list. And select the main reason you'll be sending money, like sending to family or friends. After that, pick your occupation. From the available options, just select the one that best describes your situation. And finally, enter your home address to complete your profile. Once you fill everything out, that's ITR all set. You've officially completed the sign-up process and can now start using TapTap Send to transfer money quickly and securely. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple app guides. Thanks for watching.